The ADD system offers the advantages of superior dust collection and quick changing of bits. The system may only be used with special ADD system diamond core bits. In place of the 1 1/4 inch coupling, they have a special ADD bayonet coupling. Mount the female 1 1/4 inch end of the ADD quick release to the spindle of the motor and tighten with wrenches. Loosen the locking collar on the ADD quick release by turning anti-clockwise. Insert the tangs in the nose of the ADD quick release into the slots in the ADD bayonet coupling on the bit. Turn the bit clockwise slightly to engage the tangs and tighten the locking collar. Mount the centering pilot from the bit end and ensure that the slots engage with the tang inside. Clean the hole if it is difficult to fit. Remove the centering pilot after the first few millimeters of the kerf is established by pulling straight out. Then continue to drill normally. If the ADD extension is used, mount it between the ADD quick release and the bit in the same fashion. For bits with an M16 coupling, if a bit with special banana-shaped dust collection slots on its flange end is used, use the M16 dust extractor. Mount the female 1 1/4 inch end of the M16 dust extractor to the spindle of the motor and tighten with wrenches. Back off the dust collar of the dust extractor by turning anti-clockwise to allow access to the wrench flats on the bit coupling. Thread on the bit and tighten with wrenches. Close down the dust collar by turning clockwise. Mount the centering pilot from the bit end. It simply slides into place. Clean the hole if it is difficult to fit. Remove the centering pilot after the first few millimeters of the kerf is established by pulling straight out. Then continue to drill normally. If a common M16 coupling bit without banana slots is used, the standard M16 adapter may be used. Simply thread it on and tighten with wrenches.